Where do my apples go? Huh, I wonder where my apples could be. This must be where all my apples went. I wonder what could be going on in here. Peach glad. I wonder what could be going on in here.
What's so cool about your job at Mouse Production?
I love my job for the simple fact is you do meet a lot of new people, you do different products, and you know you're responsible for what goes out that door.
It's pretty cool because not only are there good people here, but we get to make things, right? You get to see something go from nothing to something that is something cool, right?
Why did you join this field?
I joined this field to help people. If I can help someone and prevent them from getting hurt, injured, sick, and make them feel safe, I would love to do that.
How do you choose your field of work?
It chose me. I did not choose it, but it came to me and I liked it. I started working here as a janitor in high school, and then I started to realize this place is kind of cool. What's so cool about manufacturing? Again, you get to take something that's simple and turn it into something cool, right? So here we make apples into sauce, we make apples into juice. So just like anywhere in manufacturing, you take a product in and you put out something new.
So that's what's so cool about Nouse. Nouse is so much cooler than gravity. I never want to leave.